Hey everyone, in this quick tech how-to video, I'm going to show you how to easily add a new shipping address to your Amazon account. We'll look at how to add the new address, how to change it to your default shipping, and finally how to delete an address. Adding more than one shipping address is a helpful feature that allows you to make purchases and say send the items to friends or family. I have a lot of family that lives out of state, so this is something that I use for birthdays and holidays. To do this, head to Amazon.com and make sure that you're logged into your account. Next, on the top right of the page, choose Accounts and Lists, and then from this menu, select Account. In here, scroll down and then inside of the Ordering and Shopping Preferences section, choose Your Addresses. Here you'll see all of your saved shipping addresses. Select Add Address and then add all the info for your new address. When you're finished, hit Add Address at the bottom. You'll then see your new address saved in the list. Now when you make purchases in the future, at the checkout screen this address will be available to ship to. If you want to make this address your new default shipping address, just choose Set as Default on the bottom of the address. Now in your checkout process, this address will automatically be selected first. And finally, to remove or delete an address, just choose Remove from the bottom here. You'll then get a pop-up window asking you to confirm the removal. Hit yes and you're all set. And that's how you add a new, change the default, or remove a shipping address on Amazon. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and stay tuned for more quick tech how-to videos.